In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion workspace for personal training. We're going to build a simple, organized system that helps you manage clients, workouts, goals, and progress all in one place. This setup is especially useful if you want a clean workspace that makes it easy to stay on top of programming and client communication without feeling scattered. Start by creating a new Notion workspace dedicated to your personal training business. Keeping this separate from other notes or projects makes everything easier to find and manage. Once you're inside the workspace, create a main dashboard. This dashboard will act as your home base. So think of it as the central area where you can quickly access your clients, workout plans, goals, and progress tracking. On the dashboard, add sections for clients, workouts, goals, and progress. The purpose here is to make navigation simple. Instead of digging through multiple pages, you'll have one clear view of the most important parts of your coaching system. Try to keep the layout clean so it stays practical as your client list grows. Next, create a client database. This is where you'll store key information for each person you coach. Add properties for client name, goal, program, status, and check-in date. These fields help you see exactly where each client is in their journey. For example, the goal field can show what they're working toward, the program field can show which plan they're following, and the status field can help you identify whether they're active, paused, or newly onboarded. The check-in date is useful for staying consistent with follow-ups and progress reviews. After that, create workout templates for different training plans. This will save you time and help you stay consistent in how you build programs. You can make templates for strength training, fat loss, muscle gain, mobility work, or any structure you regularly use. Templates are helpful because instead of starting from scratch every time, you can duplicate a framework and adjust it for each client. You'll also want to track client progress, measurements, and notes. This is one of the most valuable parts of the workspace because it gives you a clear record of how each client is doing over time. You can use this area to log physical changes, performance updates, and important coaching observations that help you make smarter adjustments. If needed, share workout plans with clients directly from Notion. This can make delivery simple and convenient, especially if you want clients to view their training in a structured format. Finally, review each client's dashboard regularly and update their program as needed. This keeps your coaching personalized, current, and effective while helping your workspace stay accurate and useful every week.